Man, watch out now, watch out. Howdy, hey guys, welcome back. Real quick, before we get into this video, listen, I'm noticing you guys are watching the videos, but y'all not subscribing. So do me a favor, real quick, 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second. Hit the subscribe button right there. It's right down there. Hit the subscribe button, and we're gonna get back into it. So today's video is gonna be about this Rain-X glass water repellent that I picked up. The reason that I picked that product up is because I was coming home from work one day. It started pouring down rain. Turned my windshield wipers on, and this is what I heard. Yeah, sound like somebody shooting at me, but it's all right. I picked some of this up, so we're gonna see if it worked or not. Let's get it. So the instructions basically says to spray it on the window, wipe it with a clean microfiber towel, and take another dry microfiber towel and wipe it again. So that's what we're gonna do. Wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, wax on. I want to make sure it works, so I'm gonna spray some more. You're gonna get it good and lubricated. Good and lubricated. All right, wax on, wax on, wax on, wax on, wax on. Let's do the other side. Listen, I don't know what is too much and what is too little. So I'm gonna just be safe and do too much. Wax on, 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 wax on. Now I'm gonna come back with a dry microfiber towel. I'll be right back. Just that fast, and we're back. And it says to come back with a dry microfiber towel. You can barely wipe that. I guess it's good and dry. Let's get the other side. All right. One thing I wanted to mention is this towel is changing colors, so if you want your pad to last, you might want to rinse it off after you're done. So we're gonna find out, does it work? Hey, what better way to find out if the water come off the window than to do a water test? So hey, let's try it out. Let's see if the water gonna fall off of it or it's gonna stick. I mean, it looked like it's rolling off. Guys, I mean, it's not real rain, but to me it looks like it might actually work. I might have portable windshield wipers. These are aqua windshield wipers. You get it? Aqua, not mechanical. Because clearly mechanical ain't working. But all right. Man, I got some of that Rain-X and sprayed on my window. Because yesterday morning, I don't know what's going on. Or whatever God trying to tell me. I think I got a big blessing coming. But I went to go use my windshield wipers, and they don't work. I hear the motor turning, but they not moving. But I sprayed some of that Windex rain repellent on it, and it seems to work pretty good. I mean, I'm on the interstate, which is probably helping me out a little bit, but the water just rolling off of it. So it does work. So if you're interested in purchasing it, or your windshield wipers aren't working, I mean, it's an option, and it does work. So don't think you're wasting your money. I think I paid $7 for a 16-ounce can. Well, about $8 after tax. But it seems to be working. I'll come back later with another update to let you know it still works. Coming down pretty hard now. I mean, visibility is not the best, but you're able to still drive. So I still give it a thumbs up. You know, I can't really see that much, but to say my windshield wipers aren't working, I can still drive. So it works. It works. I don't know how much more of a review and how much you guys want to see and how long you want to see the rain just falling off the window, but hopefully it helps someone out that's going through the same thing with the windshield wiper problem. You have an option. You have an option. Be blessed. Man, I thank you guys for watching the video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, share the video. Comment if you have this product and it worked for you. Comment if you have the product and it didn't work for you. Tell me, you know, your feelings on it. Just let me know what you think about it. I appreciate you guys for watching. Y'all be blessed. We out.